Okay class, today we're gonna watch a movie about Russo-Georgian War. It happened in 2008 August in Abkhazia and South Ossetia declared independence from Georgia. Oh, classic caillou, how dare you burp in class? You know it's very disgusting. That's it, go to the principal's office now. Washington.
At the principal's office.
Classic caillou, why are you here?
I burped at class.
It's very disgusting. That's it. You are suspended for 737,372,626 weeks. Go home right now.
Meanwhile, when Classic Caillou got home. Classic Caillou, I got a call from your teacher said you burped in class. Is that true?
Yes, Dad, it's true.
Classic Caillou Anderson. I cannot believe you burped in class today. Thoughts? You are grounded for 9 decades. Go to your room right now and never ever come out. Or am gonna give you a punishment.
Washington.